Hi, I'm Katie Fleschner McMullen, and I'm one of the personal injury attorneys at Fleschner Stark Tannous and Newlin. When I think about what led me to be an attorney, I realized there really were a combination of factors. My father, Steve Fleschner, practiced law throughout my childhood, and I remember him coming home from work with his briefcase filled with papers, and he would play with the four of us kids. We'd have dinner together, talk about our day. He'd help us get ready for bed, and then after we would all be in bed, he would always make his way back to his work. And I remember not knowing what his work entailed, but being able to tell that it was important and that it really meant a lot to him. In high school and then in the summers during college, I actually interned at Fleschner Stark Tannous and Newlin, and I did things like answer phones, I would help make the trial notebooks, and I would review medical records and highlight treatment of our clients as well as their injuries. The real defining moment for me, though, was actually after college. And what I did was I became a brief writer for the Social Security Disability Department at Fleschner Stark Tannous and Newlin. And I remember the first time finding out that one of our clients, who I wrote a brief for, was awarded their Social Security disability benefits. And it was so rewarding. It felt so good to know that I was a part of that and that I really helped them. And I thought, if I could do that just by writing a brief, think of how much I could help somebody if I was an attorney. And so I ended up going to Michigan State University, and I got my law degree, passed the bar, and then I returned back to Terre Haute, and I began practicing law with my father, Steve Fleschner. It was at that point that I really learned that my heart is drawn towards personal injury law. When an individual presents to me, they come to me in a time in their life when they're really struggling. They've oftentimes been in a wreck and they're injured. And I'm able to tell them, I can help you. I have the ability to help you. I tell them, you no longer have to communicate with the other insurance company. We will do that. We will talk to the lien holders. We will make sure that your bills get paid back. I can help you get treatment, and I can be your advocate. And you just see this weight being lifted off of their shoulders. And I love being able to do that for people. And from the beginning of their case to the end of their case, I really just see their life morph. And it's really nice to know that I was a part of that. I look forward to being able to help you with your case. If you have any questions, feel free to call me or any of the other attorneys in the personal injury department. Our law office phone number is 812-232-2000.